Namaskar. I am going to share an amazing story of my life with you today. A story that completely changed my life as a trainer. I remember I was about to make a presentation of a 2-day in front of a strong crowd of about 25-30 people. And my laptop suddenly gave way. I was shocked because I was not prepared to face a situation like this. I didn't even have a backup of my presentation then. About 10-12 years back. I went to the HR and I told her that I won't be able to conduct this session. She looked at me and said, why? She was completely astonished. I said, no, because I don't have the presentation. My laptop has given way. She said, nothing doing, just continue. And I was like, oh my God, now there is no way out of this situation. What do I do? I went to the participants and I asked them to take a break of about 15-20 minutes and I said, just give me 20 minutes. This is the situation. I need 20 minutes to prepare and then we'll be back. I calmed down. I had few deep breaths. I started making notes of what are the objectives of the program and why I'm conducting it. And then I also prepared the session flow with it. I said, let me take day 1, as it goes. And then we'll plan for day 2. Now, I began, I ensured that it was very engaging. I thought of activities on the spot, made them interact. By the end of day 1, it was one of the best feedbacks that I had ever got in my life. And I was so shocked. And of course, by the end of day 2, I was completely prepared and I came back and I finished my training program and I got one of the best feedbacks of my life. Now it made me think, what really would have taken for me to attempt something like that? It was a huge risk for me because I was so used to taking the PowerPoint presentation training till that point of time that I had never considered this. It was my comfort zone and I never wanted to go out of it. Now this situation forced me to move out of my comfort zone and look at what it gave me. Amazing feedback, confidence that I can do it without a PPT, and how to make it more engaging and fun for all the participants. Ever since, my program has never been same. And I've always got good feedbacks because I've made my training more fun and engaging. What do these incidents make us do? Is there an incident in your life that has changed you? I realized that it was my passion for the training that made me sit down and say, no, I will not let down these participants who are there, who have trusted me and who are here. It was my attitude of not letting go the opportunity. It was my perseverance that pushed me. It was my passion for training that said no, and to find out solution even in a crisis situation that pushed me to get what I got that day. Is there an incident in your life? Do you have a story like this in your life? Do share, do write in, comment, send in your videos and share it with the world as to what incident really helped you come out of your comfort zone and what were the attributes that pushed you to come out of your comfort zone. It will be an amazing sharing and I will be looking forward to hear from you.